Alright, to convert PDF file into audio, we will be using Jupyter Notebook. By using Jupyter Notebook, we can do Python programming. So we will go in a folder. We have two files, single page and multi-page PDF files. Okay, so we will create Jupyter Notebook file here, and we will rename this file as PDF to audio. So first of all, we will call py-pdf2. By using this library, we will load the PDF file, so we can import the library like py-pdf2. So first of all, to load the PDF file, we need to get the path of the file. So open and we need to read here, so RB would be there, and then we will call PDF py-pdf2, and the function is PDF file reader, and we will put the path here. Now we have the PDF file in the PDF. So if we wanted to know that how many pages are there, simply we can use the length function PDF dot pages. So we have only one page, as we already knew that there is a one page in that PDF file. So we can get this page like pages is equal to PDF dot pages, and here we can get the pages. Like if we will call the pages, we can get the pages, but for example, if we have more than one pages in the PDF, so we can also get the page number, like 0 means the first page, 1 means the second page, and so on. So we are going to take the first page here, and then we will take the text from here. So by using pages dot extract text, and we will have the text of this PDF file. So alright, so now we wanted to speak this text in audio. So let me just import the library first, that is py-ttsx3. okay, so first we will initialize this library, so we can say that speaking, and then we can call this dot init. Okay, so fine, we initialize this library in speaking, so we can simply call speaking dot say, and we will feed the text above, and then we will say that speaking dot run and wait.
Greetings. Consilio is a software house that provides data science solutions by using machine learning and deep learning.
You listen that what we extracted from that PDF file, then we use the library and we converted that text in audio. So if we wanted to save that audio in a file, so we can simply use the save function. So we can say that speaking dot save to file, and we can save the file which we wanted to save the text. The above text we wanted to make the audio of that text, so text, and then we can name the file like PDF to audio dot mp3. okay, so after that we also need to run it. Speaking dot run and wait. So by doing this we can check that. So you can see that here we have the file.
Greetings. Consilio is a software house that provides data science solutions by using machine.
So we can see that our code is working fine. So we save that single page PDF file into our audio file. Alright, so if we will have multi pages in the PDF, And also if we wanted to set some properties, like for example if we wanted to set the rate of the audio, like the slow reading or fast reading, or and also we can set the volume should be up or down, and also we can set that like the voice should be from the male or from the female. So all the settings we can also set when we convert the PDF file into audio. Let's work on the multi pages and we will apply all these things. First of all, we will call the multi file here, like the same way we can open the file, that is multi page.pdf. So now we can call the file here, we can call the file pdf2 dot pdf file reader, and we can put the path here. And now we can also initialize the audio library, so that we can reset audio library and initialize, because here in the speaking we already initialized this library, and speaking has already audio, so we are going to initialize it again. So we are going to say that speaking again, and we will call it simply that's it. And now as we discussed that, okay, so let me just check the number of pages. So we can check the number of pages in the multi page PDF file, so we can check that. So it's very simple, pdf dot pages. So we can see that there are two pages in the multi page PDF. All right, to manage with the multi pages, so we can get one by one page, and we can set all the properties as we were discussing, that the volume, the rate, and voice for male or female, and all the things. So we can set. So first, for example, if you wanted to get page by page from this PDF, so we can set a for loop, and we can say that pages in range, and we can call this PDF, and we can get num pages. So by using num pages, actually we can get the number of pages, and it will give us the range. So it will give us 2 here. So we can get the text by using a pdf dot get page, and we can set the pages. So pages, actually it is giving the number of page, the first page or second page or which page number. So it is just giving the page number as we were doing here, as we do setting the page number here. So this page is actually giving the number. So it will start from 0 and up to the pages in the PDF. Okay, and then we can directly call the extract text function, and after that we can call speaking dot, and we can set all the properties, and like for example the rate, the default rate will be 100 there, but if we wanted to make the audio fast, so we can set 150, so the rate will be fast here. Okay, and if we wanted to slow down the audio, so we can set 50 and 90, 80. So it depends on us how much speed we wanted to get. Okay, so then we can set another parameter here. We can say that what will be the volume. So volume, and the volume range is from 0 to 1. So if we don't want a high volume, so we can set that 0.5. and then for example which voice we wanted to get, so for that we can simply call speaking dot get property, and we can get the property here by calling the voices, and we can call here speaking, okay, dot set, because here we are getting the property and here we are going to set the property, and then we can say that voices will be from the voices from this variable, because we have the voices here, and now we can set the voices. There will be the audio of male, and if we will set 1, there will be the audio of female. Okay, so let's go with the, as we check with male, but now we can set 1 to check that if it will be working with the female voice as well. By default there will be 0, but if we will set here 1, then it will give us the female voice. Okay, and after that simply we can call speaking, as we set all the properties, and we can say, and then we can put the text here which we got here. Okay, and then speaking dot run and wait. So after that, first time it will take the first page from here, page number, and it will give the page number, and the function will get the text. Okay, and then we set all the properties on the audio in library. Okay, and after that we are going to call the speaking, and we say the text. So every time it will take the page number and will speak, and then the for loop will come again and will work on the second page. So if, for example, if there will be 10 pages, so it will be working 10 times. We need to stop speaking as well, so simply we use the stop function, and then we can.
Greetings.
Did you notice the voice is not from female, because we did not call here the ID. Okay, so by using ID we will call the ID as we wanted to get the voice in male or female voice. So by using these properties we can change the rate, the volume, and the voices, and also we can get more than 1 pages in the PDF, and then we can convert that PDF text into audio file. So I hope you got some skills on it, and you understand that how we can convert the PDF files into audio files. Thank you very much. At the end, please like and subscribe my channel so that I will be motivated, and I will be sharing more videos like this, and you will be getting the skills on such kind of concept.